empathize with the media fraternity. We saw you demonstrating and saying, don't shoot the messenger. Mungeongeza, mutaanguka nayo. So we're all together in this. We're in one country, one indivisible nation called Kenya, which is our homeland. And when the existence of a nation is threatened, we have a duty as citizens to get together. So Honorable Kioni, but I also want to recognize the presence heavily of members of WIPA Democratic Movement. They were expressing concerns since yesterday about what was happening, and they themselves do form a very critical team in their thinking and interactions with their colleagues in the National Assembly, led by Honorable Robert Mbui, member for Kadhiani, who is the Deputy Minority Leader in the National Assembly. So we appreciate you, Ashmiwa, and I know that others have been also caucusing. At a time like this, people get together and exchange ideas. And so I thank you. Honorable Kioni, you have the floor. Or is it you have the podium? The podium.
The podium.
Oh, I forgot to recognize the Deputy Minority Leader in the Senate, Senator for Kitui.
Haya, asante sana. Tutasoma huu ujumbe. A statement by the Azimio la Umoja, One Kenya Coalition Party. As Azimio la Umoja, One Kenya Coalition Party, we note that Ruto has nominated the top leadership of one of our constituent parties, ODM, to his cabinet. With this move, he has attempted to destroy multi-party democracy and seize control of the parliamentary system. Additionally,